So as you can see behind me, the JJ has finished disassembling for us to take out this Volta battery to replace it with a Lithionics battery. Now, what's going in there? We are putting two 8,400 watt-hour batteries, giving us a total of 16,800 watt-hours of usable power. To put that into perspective, that's roughly about 1,320 amp hours in a 12-volt system. This system operates at 51 volts, which completely changes the performance, charging speed, and efficiency of this system. Now, you might be asking, why would I want a 51-volt system in my rig? This system can charge from the alternator up to 4 times faster. With the Lithionics smart alternator system at low idle, the van can actually power the air condition and charge the batteries at the same time. That's huge for people camping and boondocking in hot climates or stopping during road trips. And if you don't want the van automatically low idling to charge, no problem. The Lithionics smart system lets you turn that feature off completely. Then once you bump the van into high idle, this battery bank can fully recharge in around 2 hours. Comparable to the 12-volt system would typically take double or more time. Another huge benefit is reliability. The Lithionics smart alternator includes a built-in regulator, which eliminates extra external components and removes another possible failure point. So now we're talking cleaner, simpler, and smarter. And that, guys, is the Volta battery fully out. Look how much new space we have to work with.
Fragile.
What's your guess?
I know.
Oh,
Wires.
okay.
Oh, I was wrong.
So here we have the battery management system. If you had to explain the battery management system to somebody, what would you say?
Battery management system is required for a lithium battery, so each individual cell is able to get charged up to the correct voltage as opposed to the entire battery being charged as a whole.
So we're here at day 2. We're currently taking out the old inverter to make way for our new inverter, which is 5,000 watts, by the way. So as you can see, we just finished measuring the battery to line up to be able to cut the bracket. Uno, dos. We're gonna notch these areas so that the battery can now slip right in. He has finished notching the bracket. He has now mounted the bracket. And now we still got a little bit more fabrication to get done, but we're gonna get to it. But right now, let's enjoy the music. So now we have the bad boy coming to the front so we can put her on the lift so we can start running the wiring from the second alternator all the way back to where the batteries are. Check this out, guys. We actually 3D printed our own battery switch cover with the Lithionics logo. There you go. And above it, we have the screen that is going to monitor basically all of the Victron products. Some of you are following us on Facebook and inside the Facebook groups, and we want to let you guys know we did add extra fans, and this is an active cooling system that turns the fan off and on based on the temperature within the compartment. He's doing all the cutting of holes, all the bracket placements for a light bar that's going on the front and 2 smaller that's going on the sides. So right now we have a great benchmark test going on. The batteries are at 79%. We're now full blast AC and driving, as you can see right here. And the system should be fully charged after a small little drive.